Hi everyone, today our topic is multiplication. What is multiplication? Multiplication means adding the same number again and again. For example, 4 into 3 is equal to how much? It means we add 3 in 4 times. 3 in 4 times. That implies 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. It can also represent as 4 groups of 3. 4 groups of 3. Another example, 5 into 2 is equal to how much? It means we add 2 in 5 times. That implies 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 10. Or it can also represent as 5 groups of 2. Therefore, multiplication is equal to repeated addition. Again I repeat, multiplication is equal to repeated addition. Here we can also observe in this example, 4 into 5 is equal to 20. It means 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 20. That means 4 groups of 5. We tell another more examples to understand simply. For example, 3 into 5 is equal, that means 5 plus 5 plus 5. That means 5 in 3 times. That is equal to 15. And next one, 5 into 4. That means 4 in 5 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 20. In those two examples, we underline this part. In the above underlined expansion, the first number indicates how many times. The first number indicates how many times that number repeatedly. And the second number indicates what number to add. And the second number indicates what number to add. What number to add. In this expansion, the first number indicates how many times. That is 3. 3 in 5 times. So, 5 repeated in 3 times. Is it clear? And the next one, why do we need multiplication? Why do we need multiplication? We use multiplication everywhere in our daily life. I repeat again, we use multiplication everywhere in our daily life. This multiplication helps us when the same number repeats many times, and also to make it easy and fast. And the first one is to make our work is easier. To make our work easier. If you want to add the same number again and again, it's a time taking process and difficult to add in all times. For example, 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. It means 7 repeatedly in 4 times. When we try to add these 4, it takes more time. We use multiplication, we will do this sum. That implies 4 into 7 is equal to 28. This is fast and simple. This is fast and simple. Another example, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. That implies 4 into 6 is equal to 24. This is also fast and simple. And the second one, time reduce. Instead of adding again and again, multiplication gives fast answers. For example, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That implies 7 into 2 is equal to 4. This is also fast and simple. And the next one, in the situation of purchasing or shopping. Purchasing or shopping. If you want to buy a cool drink bottle at the cost of 50 rupees per bottle, then find the cost of 7 bottles. Here, one bottle cost is equal to 50 rupees. Then you will find 7 bottles cost. How do you solve easily? We can use multiplication. Therefore, 7 into 50 rupees is equal to 350 rupees. And the second one, finding total in equal groups or counting groups. For example, 5 boxes, each has 7 mangoes. How many mangoes? 7 mangoes. Then the total number of mangoes is equal to 5 into 7 is equal to 35 mangoes. Another example, chairs in a row. Chairs in a row. Each row has 5 chairs. Each row has 5 chairs. Then total rows is equal to 3. Therefore, the total number of chairs is equal to 5 into 3 is equal to 15 chairs. Working out total cost or money. For example, price of one pencil is equal to 5 rupees. You buy 6 pencils. How many pencils? 6 pencils. Then the total cost of pencils is equal to 6 into 5 rupees is equal to 30 rupees. Another example, to buy boxes, one box is equal to, the cost of one box is equal to 15 rupees. You buy 5 boxes. Therefore, total number of box cost is equal to 5 into 15 rupees is equal to 75 rupees. As to this, eggs in a tray, students in a groups, biscuits in a packets, so on. We can find any cost of things through multiplication. Here we find one rule, total cost is equal to item price into number of items. Again I repeat, total cost of item is equal to price of items into number of items. Again I repeat, total cost of items is equal to price into number of items. Is it clear? And the next one is multiplication on a number line. Multiplication means jumping equal steps. Jumping equal steps. Jumping equal steps. Jumping equal steps to forward. Here each jump is the same size. Please remember, here each jump is the same size. For example, let's we observe number line. We take an example, 4 into 2 is equal to how much? Here we start from 0 and number of jumps is equal to 4 and each size of jump is 2. Therefore, 0 to 2 is one jump and 2 to 4 is another jump and 4 to 6 is another jump and 6 to 8 is another jump. Again I repeat, 4 into 2 is equal to how much? Then In the multiplication on the number line, we start from 0. So the 4 indicates how many times, and 2 indicates the size of the jump. So the size of the jump from 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 2 to 6, 6 to 8. How many jumps? 4 jumps. Is it clear? 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 4 to 8. The final one, where are you? Stop. Number 8. Therefore, our answer is 8. Therefore, 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Is it clear? I take another example. 5 into 3 is equal to how much? Where are you from start? I start from 0. And how many times? 5 times. The size of the group is 3. Therefore, 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 12, 9 to 15. Here, 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 12, 12 to 15. Then, where are you stop your number 15? So, therefore, our answer is 15. Therefore, 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Simply we remember that final answer is equal to number of jumps into size of a jump. Please remember this rule. Final answer is equal to number of jumps into size of the jumps. Here 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 5 indicates number of jumps. 3 indicates the size of the jump. Here the final answer 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Note, on the number line for multiplication, we start from 0. Again I repeat, for multiplication on the number line, we start from 0. In the above example 5 into 3, we start from 0. So 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 12, 12 to 15. Is it clear? And the next one, rules of multiplication. Here the first one is positive into positive is equal to positive. For example, 4 into 3 is equal to 12, 7 into 6 is equal to 42, 4 into 7 is equal to 28. Here all positive numbers, so positive into positive is equal to 12. 7 is positive, 6 is positive, the result also positive. Therefore, positive into positive is equal to positive. And the second one is negative into negative is equal to positive. For example, minus 2 into minus 3 is equal to 6. Minus 4 into minus 6 is equal to 24. Minus 5 into minus 2 is equal to 10. Here, in the all cases, minus 2 into minus 3 is equal to 6. That means, negative into negative is equal to, we get positive number. And the third one is, positive into negative is equal to negative number. Or, negative into positive is equal to, also we get negative number. For example, 3 into minus 2 is equal to 6. 4 into minus 3 is equal to minus 12. 5 into minus 1 is equal to minus 5. Positive into negative is equal to, we get negative value. As to this, negative into positive is equal to also we get negative number. For example, minus 2 into plus 4 is equal to minus 8. Minus 3 into plus 5 is equal to minus 15. Therefore, positive into negative is equal to we get also negative value. Negative into positive is equal to we also get negative value. Please remember. And the next one, any number into 0 is called 0. We get 0. Again I repeat, any number into 0 is equal to we get 0 answer. For example, 6 into 0 is equal to 0. 7 into 0 is equal to 0. 8 into 0 is equal to 0. 97 is into 0 is equal to 0. 123 into 0 is equal to 0. In all cases, we get 0. When we multiply with 0, the answer we get is 0. And the last one is any number. Any number into 1 is equal to same number. When we multiply with any number with 1, then we get the same answer. For example, 8 into 1 is equal to 8. 12 into 1 is equal to 12. 15 into 1 is equal to 15. In all cases, we get 8 when any number multiply with 1, then we get the same result. Is it clear? Here up to you understood the total multiplication topic. If any doubt, please watch again. Here below, I give you the quiz. Let's try. See you again. Thank you all.